This is a text to image workflow, and you can just add a group and the presentation tab. So here's the presentation file node, and you can use it to load up the checkpoint. Just choose the checkpoint. You can add a seed there to choose the seed, presentation seed node. And you always have to put a saved image or preview image there so you can see the image in the group. And nothing outside of the group will go into the UI. You have to put everything into the group. You can rename the labels here in the interface and restart the server after you're done. Press refresh and just make an image.